Maraming salamat ho sa inyong lahat. Alam niyo ho, labis ho akong natutuwa sa pinapakita ninyo sa akin ngayon. Kayo na ho sanang bahalang magpaumanhin kung magkamali man ho ako sa awitin kong ito.
All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye.
Her voice is good.
But the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. The taxi's waiting, he's blowing his horn. Already I'm so lonesome, I could cry.